Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, that is 24th September. Okay, last week we studied poem Time for Everything, right? We have time to run, we have time to walk, we have time to sleep, we have time to talk, we have time to laugh, correct? But it is said that poet is saying that do our time, or you can say do our action and time fit, correct or not? We should do correct action at correct time, understood? And I have explained you poem in detail last week, and today we are going to start with question answers writing of that poem. Now whatever answers I am going to give you on board, that answers you have to write down in notebook as well as in your workbook, both places. Okay, in notebook as well as in workbook. Now your first question in the book is given. Answer the following questions first. When is it the time for sleep? Question number 1A. Here in the book it is given. When is it the time for sleep? So answer of this question is what? It is time for sleep. I am writing answer now. It is time for sleep at the end of the day. It is time for sleep at the end of the day. When do we have time? At the end of the day we have time for sleep. Second question which is asked in the book is, what is meant by there is time for everything you do? What is meaning of this line? There is time for everything we do. It means that whatever you do, second answer, it means that whatever you do, it means that whatever you do has to be done at the appropriate or correct time, or correct time. Third question which is given in the book is, who should do everything at a proper time? Take the correct answer. Okay, now who should do? Here it is told, see question. Now this question, in question only answer is there. Who should do everything at a proper time? Take the correct answer. Children, grown-ups. Now who should do correct time? Who should do action or everything in proper time? Everyone. It is for everyone. So children, grown-ups, both. Now what is answer in this? Both. You have to put tick mark in front of both. सगळ्यांनी केलं पाहिजे की नाही काम टाइम मध्ये? येस. सेकंड one line in this poem contains its message in short. Write down that line. Now which line in the poem is telling the meaning, or you can say it is telling about a poem, theme of a poem. Here it is told that one line in the poem which contains its message. Now which line is giving message? There is time for everything. There is time for everything you do. This is that line. Okay, There is time for everything you do. Are you understanding or not? There is time for everything you do. After that, the third question is, in this poem, time means a suitable or proper time for doing certain things. Match the occasions in A with the actions in B. First one, when you have to catch your opponents in a game of tag. Come on now, let us start doing this. Match the pace. I will write down match the pace here. Question number 3. Answers. First one, A. When you have to catch your opponents in a game of tag. Now what is correct answer of this sentence? When you have to catch your opponents in a game of tag. So what will be answer of that? It is time to run. Catch means what? You have to run behind someone, yes or no? So time to run. Answer of this sentence is what? Time to run. Second one, B. When you are on a crowded street. When you are on a crowded street. When you are on a crowded street, then that is what? Time to walk. What is second answer? Time to walk. If the street is crowded, then what you should do? You should talk over there, or what you should stop, or what walking? No. It is time to walk. C sentence is, when somebody has asked you a question. Now if someone is asking you a question, what you have to do naturally? You have to give answer. Then that is what? Time to talk. When somebody has asked you a question. When somebody asks you question, that time what you have to do? It is a time to talk. So answer is what? Time to talk. And last one sentence is, when you are in a library or hospital, what will be answer? Now when you go in hospital, you make noise or what? No. And even if you go in library, if you are told to go and do study in library, that time you make noise in library? No. So what is that time? It is time to be silent. So D1 answer is what? Time to be silent. That you write down, because here there is no place to write on the board. Have you understood in this way? Please complete your question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 in notebook as well as in your workbook. After that is question number 5. Here it is told in question number 4, not 5. In question number 4 it is told that find the meaning of the following using a good dictionary. Question number 4 is what? We have to find out meanings of some sentences. 3 sentences are given, I think so, in the exercise. Question number 4, first one. What is first sentence? 9 times out of 10. What is meaning of this? 9 times out of 10. So meaning of this answer is almost every time. Nehmi. In Marathi, what we call nehmi. Almost every time. Second one, B answer. What is second sentence? No time like the present. No time like the present means what? Now is the best time to do your best. Okay? Or now is the best time to do something. to do something not in the future. Not in the future. C answer. What is C question? C1 is a stitch in time saves 9. What is meaning of this sentence? It is better to deal with something immediately because if you wait, it may become more late. Are you understanding? Or it may become more difficult. So answer of this sentence is what? It is better to deal with something immediately because if you wait it may become more difficult. It may become what? It may become more difficult. It can become more difficult. Anything. Okay, a stitch in time saves 9. In this way, we have completed question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the board. You have to complete this all question answers in your notebook as well as in your English workbook. Okay, we will start with new lesson tomorrow. What is name of our new lesson? Be a craftsman. What is there in that? It is activity based lesson that we will do, that we will study tomorrow, or that we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.